Welcome to this practically brand new home. Built in 2016, it has 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms and a den. Entering the home to the left, we have a formal dining room with tile floors. To the right we have a den study or even a small living room. Looking straight ahead, we find the spacious family room with high cathedral ceilings, tile flooring and plant shelves. You have a dinette area in the back of the house with a high ceiling next to the kitchen. The kitchen is beautiful wood cabinets, granite countertops, a built-in microwave and stainless steel appliances. Here is a view of the family room from the back of the house. Each of the guest bedrooms have carpet flooring. The guest bathroom has a raised panel wood cabinet with granite countertop, and a tub shower combination. The master bedroom is very large with a tray ceiling and carpet flooring. The master bathroom is roomy with a large wall cabinet, granite countertop, tile flooring, a separate shower and tub plus a walk-in closet. The lanai is under truss and almost 27 foot long. Thank you for taking a look at this almost new home. It is priced thousands less than new construction and has many upgrades included. Come and see this house today, and tomorrow you may be calling it home.